Another alternative to the drop shadow effect is to apply a glow to the selected object. Within the Effect Stylized category, there are two glow options: an inner glow, which causes the object to be softened from its outer edge inward. You can also specify from the center outward. For an inner glow, you can specify the color and the blending mode, as well as its opacity and the amount of blur. By increasing the blur amount, you can increase the amount of glow that is cast upon the interior of the object. The other type of glow is an outer glow. This differs from the inner glow in that the resulting softening takes place beyond the outside of the edge. By increasing the blur amount, you'll see that the glow is added outside of the borders. You can also set, for this glow type, a color as well. For example, if we change the glow to a red, then you get a soft pink glow around the star. You can also set its opacity and its blending mode. Once you're happy with the settings, you can click the OK button to apply this glow to the object. Remember that if you want to change any of the settings associated with the inner or outer glow, you can access them here within the Appearance panel.